Hey, welcome back. Call me Ismail. On today's episode, Coin Bureau detail Axie Infinity price target. Say explosive altcoin could bring crypto to the masses.
Using it!
The pseudonymous host of crypto outlet Coin Bureau is taking a close look at the blockchain-based game and token Xfinity, Axe. The popular researcher who goes by the simple name Guy tells his 1.1 YouTube subscriber that the price of Axe will move significantly higher before the end of the year, as long as the blockchain-based game sustains its rising rate of adoption.
Go on.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
In terms of how high Axe could go by the end of the year, I reckon $100 is more than a reasonable expectation, especially if Axie continues to see users adoption. As of right now, Axie is trading for $44.54 and up 41.41%. 41.41.
Ha! Gay!
Let's highlight two fundamental factors that he said could support Axie Infinity uptrend until the end of the year. It certainly helped that Axe has a medium market cap, meaning it has a lot of room to grow compared to other cryptos. Not only that, but Axe's lengthy vesting schedule means it's unlikely to see any serious price suppression from selling by the team, advisors, and private investors.
And that's a fact.
Gay fact.
Another key factor that could contribute to the long-term success of the blockchain-based game, when something they built was anything less than perfect, they scrap it without hesitation and try something else. This level of commitment to consistency, quality, and community is very rare, both inside and outside of the cryptocurrency, and is fundamentally what Axie Infinity owns its success to. Guide add, Axie Infinity has the potential to take cryptocurrency to the masses. There's still so much room for Axie Infinity to grow too. And it might be a killer, decentralized application that will take cryptocurrency mainstream. That's my time.
I'm going to use this to attack you, and you use respect to defend yourself.